In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give someone full access to your Notion page. Whether you're collaborating on a project, sharing important information, or simply want someone else to contribute to your Notion workspace, granting full access is an essential skill to have. Let's dive right in and explore how you can do this efficiently and effectively. First, open up your Notion page and navigate to the top right corner where you'll see the Share button. This button is your gateway to managing who can view and edit your page. Clicking on Share opens up a panel with various options, directing you to a world of collaborative possibilities. Once you're in the sharing panel, you'll find a field where you can type in an email address. This is where you enter the email of the person you want to grant access to. Type carefully to ensure that you invite the correct individual, as this is an important step in linking them to your page. After typing the email, Notion will populate suggestions if you've shared with this email before, making it user-friendly and hassle-free. If it's a new contact, simply complete typing the full email address. Now, at this point, you've added your potential colleague or collaborator to the list, but you're not done just yet. Right next to the email field, you'll spot a small arrow indicative of a drop-down menu, which allows you to customize access levels. Click on this arrow to explore the different permissions you can assign. Notion offers a range of options from reading only to full edit rights. For full collaboration, you'll want to provide full access. Select Full Access from the drop-down menu. This option empowers the invited individual with the same privileges you have, allowing them to view, edit, and manage your Notion page just like you do. It's perfect for scenarios where you want seamless teamwork without any restrictions. Now, after setting it, double-check everything before you proceed, especially ensuring the email address and permissions are correct. This precaution helps avoid any mishaps or accidental invitations. Finally, you'll finalize the process by hitting the Invite button. This action dispatches the invitation directly to the recipient's email. They'll receive a notification inviting them to join your Notion page with full access. With that, you've successfully shared your Notion page, enabling smooth collaboration. Remember always to manage your permissions carefully. Only grant full access to trusted individuals who need it. By following these easy steps, you can enhance your productivity and teamwork within Notion, ensuring everyone involved is on the same page. Thanks for joining me today on this tutorial. Be sure to check out other resources and guides for even more handy tips.